Hello everybody, welcome back. We're joined by my fiancée Michelle.
Hello everyone.
That's right, breaking news, we got engaged today, awesome stuff. We're looking at anomalies at a new site to the south of Dokuchaev, to the western edge of the region called Aonia Terra. The original NASA photograph, which you'll find the link to, is called Dunes. This was acquired on the 14th of August 2011 at 25.1 centimeters per pixel. The images I'll be showing you are cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, 622 megabytes in size. And the close-ups that I'll be showing you are done with Topaz Labs Gigapixel AI. There's a look at the low-res black and white and the strange dune patch in the center of this image. The artifacts I'll be showing you are some of these larger white specks that are strewn about this area. The site's located to the south of Dokuchaev, to the western edge of Aonia Terra, at roughly 63 degrees 22 minutes south, 131 degrees 29 minutes west. To start off with, the strange feature on the surface. Don't know what that could be, but it's about 12 meters long. And a close-up reveals it looks similar to a finger. Could this be a sculpture of a finger? We can see the nail over there. Strange, hollowed out, flat surface here to the top. And then this strange part. It's about 8 meters across. It's got a very strange object on the top. Is it attached to it? It looks almost like an eye. Check out this. Fish head, perhaps, mouth, eye on the one side, and the other one is on this side where we can't see it. Or is this some type of vent? I don't know. Very odd. And then we're looking at another part with a small object or protrusion on the one side. Check this out. It's also very symmetrical. And then the usual suspect, this is about 10 meters long. We've got this sort of rectangular shape with rounded corners and a dome or spherical object on the top. I don't know if that's a hole. Could that be another one of these hatch type anomalies? And then another one of these strange monolithic sort of obelisk anomalies there, folks. This one's about 2 meters wide and about 3.5 to 4 meters tall. And from the top, it's got a strange L shape to it, but it's also rounded. I think I'll do an illustration of this very soon in the near future. So if you went to stand there, this thing's going to be huge. It'll be towering above you. Unless you're 3 meters tall, of course. And then another one of these rectangular parts, about 8 meters long. And it's got a small, narrow part running over the top, parallel with the edge. Check this out, folks. Also rounded towards the back. So it's partially buried in the very weird looking terrain, sand. It wouldn't be nice to walk on this material with bare feet. Looks very corrosive or abrasive. Anyway, looking at the two objects there. Another one of these nice rectangular parts. It's got two slots or engravings on the top, parallel with one another, and then that part there Another one of those nice spherical objects. See, that there would be about 6 meters in diameter. And underneath, could that there be open? Another one of these strange dome-shaped objects. This one's about 8 to 9 meters across. Check this out. On top of this rather weird piece. It's almost got a hexagon shape to it. Another one of those that looks like an emblem or depiction of an eye. This piece is about 10 by 12 meters in size. Get that, folks. Another one of those eye shapes. Could this be the iris and pupil? Pure speculation, of course. And then the L-shaped raised part is also quite strange. And then multiple sort of sheet metal panel type anomalies. That there's about 18 meters long. Have a look at this. It's also slightly bent. And then this thin part on the top, like I say, almost like paneling or sheet metal. And another odd piece there. Looks like this is covering this oval object. It's got like an L shape to it as well. Totally out of place. Multiple layers to that anomaly. This, another one of those really weird things. Looks like this material is a covering. This is lying facing to the right, and at 90 degrees you've got these 4 pieces parallel with one another. Could this be an opening again? Is this some type of shelter? Who knows? And then this appears in one of the older photographs of that site. We'll have a look at that in Google Earth Mars in a moment. Check this. Right there again in the center. We have Dokuchaev over here to the north. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. If I'm not, pardon the ignorance. And then Chamberlain down here to the south. Right, let's have a look at those anomalies I just featured. Again, the upscaling software is doing a fantastic job. So here we can see that photograph I just showed you is taken more to the south, and then these anomalies show up more to the north. So that whole site is littered with these really odd items. And there's another one of these sort of monolithic obelisk type anomalies. And that there again is this wreckage or an entrance to some sort of underground complex. And the shadow, many of you agree, doesn't match that object. Has this photograph been manipulated? That's the question. Right, folks, Michelle and I will see you in the next one soon.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care. Ciao for now.